Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this quick tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can verify your crypto.com mobile account step by step. Our first step being that you open up crypto.com. Once crypto.com opens up, you then simply click on sign up, and you can also use your referral codes if you have any. But once you're done signing up or clicking on signing up, you click skip at the top right corner of the screen. And after that, you're taken to the email address section where you can simply input your email address. And this email address is what you're going to be using to log in. And then the next step is to complete the puzzle verification process. Once it's completed, you'll be sent an email for confirmation, which you head over to your email. Alright guys, and once you've opened up your email, you simply click on login. After clicking on login, you're then shown a completed email address, and then the next step is to sign up with your phone number. A verification code will be sent to your phone number. Once that verification code comes in, you simply input your verification code SMS, and with that, we've completed your phone number verification. Your next step is to click on accept that to receive exclusive offers and updates from crypto.com, which are really important in some cases. You check the box and you click on continue. After that, you're taken to the account opening section where you input your full name, your ID, and you also take a selfie. Um, First of all, we're going to be putting in a legal name. Once you've been able to put in a legal name, you click on continue, and then you're going to be taking a picture of your ID card. It could be anything from a student ID to a government ID, or also a driver's license, any of which serve the same purpose and work. And you just focus your camera on this ID and you take a picture of your ID. Unfortunately, you can't see the ID I've taken, but it's the same process. And then lastly, you're going to have to do a facial recognition or facial verification. And with that, your document and your selfies are submitted successfully. All you have to do is actually wait. So you then wait for a couple of days, depending on the region you stay, depends on how long your verification process is going to take. But once your verification is done, you simply open up the crypto.com mobile app, and then you're met with the screen that says your verification is approved. Then you move on to set a passcode. This passcode is used to open up the app, is used for transactions, buying, selling, all of that good stuff. And then once your passcode gets confirmed, you then select the payment currency you'd like to use, the payment currency you prefer. After setting that, you enter your passcode to gain access into your mobile app. And then from there, that's how you can simply verify your crypto.com mobile app. Comment down below if you have any questions concerning how you can go about this, and you'd be given an answer. Thank you.